killing it, dude. Second gear, just chilling. Hey, what is going on, guys? Out here at my little stunt spot. We don't actually have lots here. We don't have parking lots. We have these brand new, super nice, very wide, smooth, brand new roads until they start building stuff, and then there's already a, you know, backhoe down there trying to dig up some stuff. So it probably won't last very long, but it's nice while it's here. You can see all the burnout marks and stuff from people doing drifts and burnouts and whatnot. Yeah, super good road for doing wheelies and stuff. Out here today on the grom just to get some practice. I don't have a lot of practice on the grom. I'm pretty damn good on the 450 now. Like throw it back, coast, scrape, whatever. I figured I'd just film like a little lot session. I'm still trying to get comfortable on the grom as far as like seating position and like balance point. We can almost shut our engine off and stall out from stopping. I'll tell you what, man, trying to stay in a straight line on a grom, for me at least, maybe my tire pressure is too high, I don't know, but like, dude, you're going so slow that if you don't have like your swerves or like just wheelie steering control down, dude, it's really hard to, at least for me, to stay straight, especially when I slow down too much. Oh, I stalled it. Oh, so sick, dude. Whoa. Damn it. Much harder to steer in the one hands too. Steering so much harder. See, when I was grabbing my tank, oh, that's cheating. Yep, that's cheating. There's third. Yup, we're up in third. Yup. Third gear, boys. Oh, third gear is legit, dude. Oh, I'm gonna drop it. No, 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 no. Oh, that was sick. I've never, well, I shouldn't say that. I successfully shifted in a wheelie one time on the 450, but that was also the same day that I looped the 450. The only time I've ever looped. It was an old, well, not old. It was an older video of mine back when the 450 was still all red and like stock wheels and everything. And I was waiting for Scott because Scott was coming on the grom. And so I'm waiting for him. And I was like, oh, I'm gonna try to shift in wheelies, but I was doing it without the clutch, right? And so I shifted from, I think it was second to third, and I was like, oh, sweet, yeah, I got that down. That's pretty easy. But that was back when I had like no brake control. Like I was not good at all yet. I couldn't coast, couldn't throw it back, whatever. And so I was like, sweet, yeah, I'll do it again. And I fucking, as you watch, if you watch that video, I click third and just hammer the throttle. Don't know why, whatever. I was just trying to keep it up, and just, dude, looped so bad. So that felt good though. I just had to find that good balance point where I wasn't like too far back or too far forward or whatever. Yup, just like that. Yup, yup. Those third gears, dog. No, 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 no. Oh, sick. I wonder if I could shift to fourth. Fourth gear would be crazy. I'd need to be cruising though. See, I'm slowing down a lot in those third gears. Just because like for so long, I was so like I was just chasing my wheelies relentlessly on the 450. And it's like now that I learned how to drop back, I'm always trying to throw it back, throw it back, throw it back. And so like now my problem is that I'm slowing down too much in my wheelies. Yup, yup, yup. Speed up, speed up. Fourth gear, boys. Yeah, sick. Oh, we're cruising now, dog. We're cruising now. Oh, so sick. I'm so hyped on that, dude. That is so dope. I just gotta be really careful that I don't try to get too crazy with the shifting, and like, you know, before I have it super dialed and I'm just gonna get thrown backwards, because I'm barely pulling on my clutch. I'm like, dude, barely pulling on my clutch to get it to come up, or to shift in those gears. Yep, yep, yep. That third gear. Over the train tracks, maybe? Yup, yup, yup. Keep it going. Oh, shit! Okay. Woo! Oh, that was a long-ass wheelie. Dude, I wheelied like... Damn, that was so long, I didn't even think about it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you to all the subscribers, everyone who watches my videos and helps me out. Keeps me motivated to keep making videos, and hell yeah guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.